Alrighty, in order to get to Sway, we're going to click on Google Chrome. I want you to work on adding in your facts today. So if you were not here last time, I think it's pretty easy to set up. I think some of the other kids can help you with that. You need to go to the Unified School District 232 homepage, but if you don't know how to quite get there, you're having some problems, a quick way is to go to my site and go to the U, and then I've got a little button right here underneath the little girl. Then I need you to go to the For Students tab, scroll down a little bit, and go to the big orange cloud, Office 365. Now, you may have to log in. It just kind of depends on if it remembered your password last time or not. It'll kind of roll up in here. And then you need to click on Sway. Once you click on Sway, it should populate all of your stuff. So I'm going to click right here on Sway. And then down here at the bottom, now last time we clicked on one of these, we clicked on this new blank Sway. We're not doing that this time. You need to come down here and click on whatever your thing is. Now, I expect you to click on these text cards and put these in. Put in your text today. So we're looking at your 10 facts for each category, plus don't forget your bibliography. You can almost highlight those off of your Microsoft Word page and just click here and then dump them in, okay? Now, once you get that done, if you have not added pictures to all of these, you need to do that. But you just click right there on it and then it'll pop up over here. You can also search right in here. So whatever you want, just click and drag stuff in there, okay? Another thing, if you are completely done, you might want to start adding, and I think some groups I showed how to do a stack, and a stack kind of looks like this. You can put in individual photos or do a stack. If I hit the design button, let me see, I think it's kind of starting in the middle because I'm on Dingo. Here's like what a little stack looks like. So I did a little stack of koala pictures. You can also change that. If you don't want a stack, you can also, let me go up to my koalas. You can click here where it says group stack, and you can change the group type, and you can change it to like maybe a grid. You can see what that looks like. It kind of like puts, I kind of almost need another one, right, in here. Kind of puts it in like a little, like in a grid, you know. You can do a slideshow. There's just like lots of different choices. My favorite is stack, but you know, whatever you want to roll with. I think you have to add 5 pictures of each. So when you get done adding in your text, to do that, you just simply, click on your text card. Or if you'd rather have the pictures before the text, you can click on your heading card. Okay, either way. So if I wanted to add pictures of wombats, I'm going to hit the plus. Now, if you hit image, you can do that. It will put in one image. So it'll be like a big thing. So like if I was doing wombats, oh, there's wombat right there. I don't even know, I forget what a wombat looks like. It's like a big guinea pig to me, okay? So let's say I wanted this here. I could put that in. What that does in my design is it puts in one single picture, just like that, okay? And you might want to do that. I don't know. It's kind of up to you, whatever you want to do. If you put in plus and you hit stack, it will start to do your group. So maybe I want to put in this wombat picture, and I can just click and drag stuff over and add to my stack this one. The poor little thing looks like he's half dead. I don't know. Let's see if I can find some other ones. Oh, look, here's one with a baby. He's really dark. I don't know if that's really a wombat. That's another thing. You have to kind of, I guess it is. You have to kind of be careful and make sure that it's what it really is. Okay. After you get that in there, then you can go to design, and you can look and see there. I've got my, and it does look different. Like if you go over here to styles and you switch it to vertical, it's going to look different in here. I kind of like that where you got like a big picture and a little stack. You put a picture in here. But anyway, it kind of gives you a choice. Don't forget, you do need to choose a style over here somewhere too. That's in styles. Probably lightning bolts will not go with Australian animals, but you know, we gotta roll with something. Okay, all right. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. Ooh, I do not like my stack down here. If I was going like, see how it's like little tiny baby? You might be able to go back and go back up to koalas. Click on this and like, let's see. Maybe make it, I think you can make it bigger right here. Do you see that? Let's see what that does. I kind of have to just kind of roll with it and kind of try things. Let's see. There's my koala. Yep, it made it a little bigger. I like that much better. Does it make it like itty bitty? Makes it so you can see things a lot better. Okay, so number one, make sure your headings are all in. Number two, add in all of your 10 facts into each category. Make sure you add bullets. You click right here to add the bullet, and if you just hit enter, like let's say I just type this, if I'm at the end of this sentence and I hit my period, I can hit enter and it will create a bullet for me. Make sure that you rewrite the sentence. You do not plagiarize, okay? So those are your chores. Get your text in. Number one, do that first. Then do the fun stuff, which is adding the pictures and kind of designing it, okay? All right, good luck. Thank you, 4th grade.